Congratulations. Your permanent residency has been approved.
Thank you so much, sir. That's wonderful news.
Hey guys, why the long faces?
You know what? We've been dumping 30,000 just for rent. How crazy is that?
Just for rent? Whoa, pump the brakes. You could have used that as a deposit to your own house. You're joking.
I'm really not. You can go for a brand new house and land package and move in like 7 months, give or take.
Guys, you can choose the floor plans you like, facades, color themes, and even the flooring. It's all pre-designed for you.
Not just new permanent residency holders like you. Thousands of first home buyers, tenants, temporary visa holders, investors, and even downsizers do this. It's all in the strategy of how we handle it.
We partnered with top-notch builders who have a proven track record in difficult times, even when the pandemic hit. They have the best designs, finishing, and quality.
Best part is, you can save more on stamp duty when you choose house and land option.
Rent pays the landlord. Ownership builds your future. Buy at $700,000. Grow about 10% a year, around $70,000 annually. Hold 10 years, the value can double. That equity is yours. Real Alliance, your trusted alliance in real estate for house and land packages.